The Tiahrt Amendment prevents the release of confidential law enforcement data to the public. It protects the privacy of law-abiding gun owners, in fact. It's been in force for 5 years now, and law enforcement organizations support it. Now, the Obama administration seems to want to weaken it, and it could further erode our Second Amendment rights to keep and bear arms. Joining me now is Congressman Todd Tiahrt. Congressman, good to have you with us. It is no secret that this administration, as Eric Holder, the chief law enforcement officer of the land, the Attorney General, said they just want to do a few things with gun laws. What's your reaction?
Well, I think that Eric Holder, our Attorney General, was actually reading from gun control advocates' talking points when he made statements the other day referring not only to the Tiahrt Amendment, but other parts of our laws that are protecting the privacy of Americans and the privacy of undercover officers.
The Tiahrt Amendment, it has been supported by law enforcement agencies. What is the rationale for the Obama administration to want to deal with it? It didn't take them very long, did it?
No, it didn't. This is endorsed by the Fraternal Order of Police. Over 325,000 police officers belong to that organization. They want the Tiahrt Amendment to stay in place to protect their undercover officers and to protect themselves. But the Obama administration simply has not read the Tiahrt Amendment. The things that they claim that it prohibits are actually encoded, making sure they do occur. One of them is to make sure that trace data is available to police departments and to prosecutors. That's ensured by the Tiahrt Amendment. In fact, it's ensured that if we are finding American guns in Mexico, we can trace the records back to America internationally because of the Tiahrt Amendment. But in addition, the real important thing to me is it protects those that protect us. Those police officers who risk their lives every day to make sure that our communities and our families are safe. So I think they're just simply following the talking points of gun control groups.
Now, the Attorney General, Eric Holder, says he does not want to place anyone at risk by relaxing provisions of the restrictions under the Tiahrt Amendment. Is there some compromise here? Is this something that can be compromised? What is your view?
Well, the Tiahrt Amendment is pretty straightforward. It says that gun trace data can be shared between police departments and prosecutors. It's very clear on where international cases are at hand. But it's also very clear on how we protect the privacy of individuals in America, law-abiding citizens who choose to purchase a firearm, but particularly important for those that are undercover police officers. You can go to a website on the internet today, and it's called whosarat.com, and you can find who police informants are. It has their picture, their contact information, and what part of the country they've been informing in. So what the Fraternal Order of Police and the ATF wanted to protect was undercover officers, so that there wasn't a undercoverofficer.com website pop up on the internet. It's pretty straightforward. We didn't try to pull any punches on the Tiahrt Amendment. We made it very clear we wanted to protect those that protect us. And I believe that Attorney General Eric Holder is simply reading talking points from gun control groups, because obviously he hasn't read the law when it comes to the Tiahrt Amendment.
Okay, well, we thank you very much for being here. Congressman Todd Tiahrt, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Lou. Appreciate the opportunity.